guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm doing a lipstick review and swatches video. Today I'm doing this My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick. This costs around 395 MRP and you'll always having sale in My Glam app or a website. Where if you buy three and you'll get one for free, it's like that. So every time you'll be having an offer. So that's how I also got this in that offer only. And this is really good. I have about 12 colors over here. They have around 24 colors, I think. I don't know properly, so I'll just check it and I leave it in the description box how much shades they have. So yes guys, I'll give you my review in the last. So without a further ado, now we'll go to the swatches. I've done both hand swatches and lip swatches. So let's go. swatches. Now comes to the review. So first I'll tell all the pros. So pros, first is it is really very inexpensive, affordable, good quality liquid lipstick, and it is matte. I love matte. Who doesn't love matte? I mean, like, yeah, there are people who don't love matte, but basically I love matte, and it is transfer proof. I can just show you now. I'll just clean my hand. And it is transfer proof. I'll just show you. Can you see? There's nothing. You can wear with your mask also. It doesn't happen anything. Little bit stains will be there, but in lip it doesn't go. It will stay for a long time, guys. Next process that it stays for really good long time, about 6 to 8 hours actually. If you eat something, for me it happens, if you eat something also, if you eat properly without touching your lips or anything, just it will stay. Even after you eat, it will stay. The staying power of this is really good, and it is not that much drying also. Yeah, you need to wear a lip balm underneath, or else it will be drying. If you wear a lip balm, it doesn't feel that much drying. It doesn't crack your lips. Even though it dries, it doesn't flake your lips or crack your lips. That is one good thing. It is not overly drying. Yeah, it dries your lips. If you apply a lip balm and then apply it, it will be sorted. And the color range, you guys, color range is really good. There is no much reds actually. There is pinks, and yeah, there's lot of pinks, and there is a good nudes also. Reds are, red family is little less, which I didn't like actually. And cons, and there are 2-3 shades which is actually patchy. That is this purple color. Yeah, this purple color, it is called 10 DTF. This purple color, it is really patchy. You saw, I mean, it is really difficult to apply in one go. You have to apply 2 to 3 layers to get that nice effect. And this also, this is called 01 FBO. This is also is my lip. Sorry, because of this swatch my hands and all got stained. And this also, it is literally patchy, and you can see the packaging over here. If you can see, there is some line. I don't know what it is. Okay. Yeah, can you see? There's some here and all, there's some gap. I don't know whether it is patchiness or packaging problem, or my lipstick batch is like that. I don't know what it is. And all others are really fine. They slide really easily. And one thing is, when you eat something, it starts coming out from middle of your mouth. It sometimes it looks really odd. I mean, obviously if you eat soupy or curry kind of food, it happens like that. I mean, like, some patches will be there for me, sometimes will be there, not every time. So yes, I think that's all the corners. It is little drying for people who have overly dried lips. Yeah, mine is overly dried lips. Actually, I want always lip balm, but I really love this because I can wear from morning to evening. I don't need a retouch at all. And it doesn't go. If I just eat some soupy things, it comes out from the middle part, that's all. Or else it stays for a good long time, and it doesn't irritate my lips. My lips doesn't get flakes, so that's why I love it. I think that's all, guys. That's all. I mean, it is really a good range. You can try it, and you'll always get this in discount. If you buy three, you'll get two and one for free. So, yes, and I'll leave my reference link also in my description box. You can use that reference link and download your app. Yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and please do support me, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video you guys will get a notification. And please do like this video. Yes, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.